I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the TV and preparing the remote. This avoids confusion once you begin programming. Make sure batteries are fresh, the remote's code list is available, and you're within 3 to 6 feet pointing at the TV sensor. Next, put the TV into the input or remote pairing menu so it can accept signals. Once done, press and hold the remote setup or code button until a light stays on, signaling the remote is ready to receive codes. Now you enter the JVC code to match functions. This is how the remote maps buttons to the TV. Find the first JVC code in your remote's manual, then press the numeric keys while the indicator is active. The light will blink or change when the code is accepted. After entry, test power, volume, and input. If a function fails, try the next code in the list. Make sure to give the TV a second after each test for the command to register. Finish by saving the working code per your remote's instructions so settings persist. Some remotes require a store or OK press. If you used automatic search, stop when the TV responds and then lock in the code. If buttons still misbehave, reset the remote to factory default, replace batteries, and repeat the code search. This clears glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: test direct line of sight and eliminate IR blockers, because obstructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.